you're a business owner or a leader and you want your team to be more data-driven, you don't have an analyst, or even if you do, they're overwhelmed with work, and BI tools like Power BI and Metabase are extremely technical. So I'll show you how Treo can onboard and build a BI tool from scratch, from dashboards to KPIs and teams without needing a data analyst whatsoever. So as soon as you log into Treo and connect to your database, you go to the sidebar, you'll find a knowledge layer. In the Assistant tab, you click on Start Setup. So the whole point of the Assistant tab is these are agents that understand your database and then start populating the tool itself. So currently, the first thing we'll do is we will tell it about our company. So just give it a brief about what the company does. Now, the tool is going to start leading the conversation. So you can see it's currently proposing business rules. So it's just populating the memory with some rules according to your database and the knowledge you give it. Okay, so now it's asking which teams do you want to start with. And let's say we will start with the sales. Okay, so it presented some numbers just to validate. All you need to know as a business owner or a leader, your numbers and if they're correct. So the numbers look correct. I'm just going to say looks good. Okay, now once it's confirmed, it's going to start creating these metrics or KPIs internally. So if this is the number, you can also look at the code itself it wrote. You can validate, confirm, and create. And same here. So if you watch these numbers up there, you would see that there are 2 metrics created and 6 or 7 business rules also created. And the mode is in building mode. Once it's done, this is going to change to live and you'll be ready to use the product fully. Okay, proposing more metrics, just going to confirm. You will see that there are 3 metrics as of now, and so on. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and confirm and then show you what this does basically. Yeah, same here. As always, also you can reject and say no, active customers are currently at 1,500, so it can try to figure out how to reach that number. But again, I'm just going to confirm. Okay, so interestingly enough, it's currently creating a team. We will get to where everything is created now, but I will confirm. So there are 5 metrics created, 1 team, and 6 business rules. Let me go to the teams. You will see that there's a sales team created. Yeah, with the KPIs, month to date, and trend view. And if you go to metrics, you'll find that these are the 5 metrics that are created. So going back to the assistant, it's also suggesting that it would create a dashboard. So I will confirm, and then we can add targets to the teams. Okay, now it's completed. If you go to dashboards, you will see that the sales dashboard is created. So if you go on it, you'll see that the dashboard is created. Okay, going back again to the assistant, I would say, can you add targets to the sales team according to our historicals and growth? Okay, so it's suggesting this target. I'm going to confirm. If you go back to teams, you will find that the target has been added to the revenue. And of course, you can do the same for the others. Let's say you want to add total orders, you want to add the targets manually. You go to metrics, you find total orders, and then you will find targets here. And then you can just add the targets accordingly. So yeah, this is how quick it is to actually set up from scratch, even if you don't have an analyst. And we just built 1 dashboard and a couple of metrics and also a team. You can also start creating triggers. If you go to the knowledge layer again, and you can tell it, can you send the dashboard weekly to the sales team? Yeah, so this was added. You confirm and create. Yeah, and it's done. So it created everything and it's telling you're live. And as you can see here, the build has been changed to live, and you can always monitor the things it added. It added the business rules here if you ever want to edit or change or add a rule or remove a rule. And then we will go to triggers, which is the report. And if you click on reports, you'll find that there's a report that has been created. Sales Command Center, which is the name of the dashboard, weekly report. It would be sent every Monday at 9 a.m. And all you need to do is activate it. That's it for today. Thank you.